Hello everyone. Today we solve LeetCode problem number 3300, minimum element after replacement with digit sum. First of all, we can understand the problem, then we think about the solution. What we have in problem, uh, we have a one array, like you can see, 10, 12, 13, 14. What we can do, we have to sum like 10. First of all, sum 10, then some 12, then some 13, then some 14. Like how we can sum some 1 plus like 1 plus 0, it is 1. We can push into one vector. Second one, we have a 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, then we have 3. The third is a 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, then we push 4 into the vector. Then we have a 1 plus 4, it is equal to 5, then we push the 5. Then what we find out? We find out 1, 3, 4, and 5. What we return minimum value of the array after the sum. In second, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to sum, like we sum 1 is equal to 1, then sum 2, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, 4 is equal to 4, 4. 4. And third example is a 9, 9, 9 and 1, 9, 199. What we can do? We have to 999, which is equal to 27, and then we have a 19 is equal to 10. Then we have a 199 is equal to 19. What we have to do? We have to return the minimum value. Minimum value is a 10. How we can do? We can think about the solution. First of all, we have to take a one element. You can see in 999, then 19, then 199. How we can solve? We take a first element of the array is equal to 999. Then what we have to do? We have to sum like 9, 9, and 9. What is equal to 27? Then we push 27 into the vector, and then we take the 19 is equal to 10. We take push the vector into, like we take a vector 27, then we 10, and then 10 push, then we have to 1 plus 9, 9 plus 9. Or we have to 9 plus 18 and 19. We have to that. Then we have to return the minimum value. This brute force solution is a how. First of all, we take a 999, then 999, then we separated first 9, then 9, then 9. We add all these things and we push the into the one vector. Then we take a second element of the array 1, 9. Then we separate that 1 and 9 plus that 1 and 9. Then push the in our vector. Then we take a third element and put the vector like that. You can see I write a solution. Like I take a first size of the nums. Like we take a example of a like 9, 9, 9, 1, 9, and 1, 9, 9. How we can do? First of all, we take a size of a nums like equal to 3. 3 element are there in n. Then we take a extra vector is I name a array. Then we take a loop for traversing all the element. And first of all, we what we can do? We store the in rr is equal to 999. And in second, we have a k is equal to 0. What we can do? We have a take a one element 999, then we make a while loop for this element is equal to while, and it always greater than 0. It is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then what we can do? We separate the one value, like we separate the 9 first of all using the uh, mod operator. After that, mod operator, what it provide? It provide the divide by mod by 10, and we find out a one value from that. After that, we store into the ss, and we that value store plus into the 9, like 9 are there. First of all, we ss equal to 9, then we store into 9, then what we have, we divide into 999 is equal to, then we have remaining is the 99. Then what we loop throughout the loop, then we find out a second 9, then sum into that, and then sum into that. Then what is k is equal to, then like that, then k is equal to, uh, like first of all 9 come, then 9, then 27 are in our kk. Then what we have to do, we have to push the kk into the new vector, and then set the kk 0 for the next element, like next element come is the 1 9. Then we, what we can do, we sort the our RAME vector from beginning to end, and return the minimum value. Like if we have a uh, find find out a like 27, uh, 27, 10, and 19. Then after sort, it is 10, 19, and 27. We return the first element of the dummy value vector. Then we easily find out the answer. As it is take a time complexity of this code is the, we have a loop, one loop for the traversing nums, one loop for the dividing, that is the big of n, and another is a sorting. It is take a time complexity is a big of n log n. It is equal to, time complexity is equal to n log n, and space complexity is the, we take a extra vector. That's why space complexity is the big of n. How we can optimize it, we instead of taking the our extra vector, we take a maximum value, like in into minimum value. We can compare the kk. If kk is less than the minimum value, then we minimum value replace with the kk value, and then we after that completion of the loop, we find out a minimum value in the mean value, and then we return the mean value. It is time complexity, time complexity is a big of n. We don't sort function, we use only loop for the nums, and space complexity is a big of 1. We not take any extra space. Using that, we optimize our code. Let's run in the lead code. First of all, you can see I write a code for the sort. Let's run it. Let's submit. Uh, I think it is not 100% because it is not optimized solution. Okay, it is optimized solution. I think it could replace both the solution. Okay, it 100% beat, and all the test cases are passing. Thank you for watching my video.